making video. It's about kissing numbers. Okay. You win the numbers. Let's begin.
Okay, so how many pineapples?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, where is number 4? Good job.
Yay! Man!
Good job. So, okay. So, next, how many peaches?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, 5. So, good job.
Yay!
Okay, next, how many apple?
1.
Okay,
No. 1.
1 apple. So, where is number 1? Number 1. Okay. Muy bien. Okay, next, how many pears?
1, 2.
Oh, good job. Okay, find the number 2. Muy bien.
Yay!
Okay, next, how many oranges? Charlotte, how many oranges?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so where is number 3? Number 3? Muy bien. Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, okay. So how many oranges?
1. Oh, Mia, orange. Orange.
Yeah, this one is 3 oranges. So next is how many?
Orange. Orange.
Yeah, how many? This one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay, find the number 9. Muy bien.
Yay!
Okay, next, let's proceed to bananas. How many bananas?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Otra vez, you count again slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so where is number 10?
Ah! Try again. Me again.
It's okay.
Try again.
Good job. Okay, next, how many coconut?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Okay, where
It's
is
so hot.
Yeah, later. Yeah, it's hot. You finish that one first. Go.
I off your pan.
Okay, so where is number 6? Find the number 6. Muy bien.
Yay!
Next, how many
1, 2,
pomelos?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Good job. Good job.
Yay!
Next, last one. How many mangoes? Mangoes.
1, 2, 3,
8. So where is number 8? Yay! Good job! You did a good job today, Charlotte.
Ayun, waitress.
Baliktad. Show. Okay, show to your friends. Wow! No, that's the other day, okay? So here are the works of Charlotte. Numbers activity today, tracing numbers from 1 to 10. Yay! Good job! Okay? So say bye-bye na to your friends.
Bye-bye, friend.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
You look here. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Hasta luego. This is friend. Hasta luego.
Adios.
Adios. Chuk chuk.